What's up, you guys? It's JCARDENASART, and in this video I'm going to be doing things a little different. So I don't know if you guys seen one of my previous videos where I make a monitor stand for my computer. If you can see, I took the monitor stand and I turned it into a shelf. So now it's just holding my brushes and, you know, pencils and stuff like that. And then I have my monitor just hanging out here. But I've noticed that I have a little issue. So I like to collect statues, pops, amiibos, and stuff like that. And I am running out of space of where to put my boxes. So this is just loaded all the way to the very back and to the top with boxes. And this is in my kitchen. That's filled up. The space up here is completely filled up. I have no space. I have up here, it's not completely full, but it's just everywhere. So the idea is to, by the way, I even up there too. And this is the little closet in the hallway. Like, I have boxes everywhere. I even have some that I haven't been able to open and put anywhere. They're just sitting here on the floor. I do have 2 bins in my closet right now. Let me see if I can show you. Full of just boxes, collectible boxes and stuff like that I just don't want to throw away because, you know, it's part of the collection. So what I decided was that I'm going to build some shelves and put it up top. So I'm gonna build the shelf and put it up here. I'm gonna put a shelf up there above that vent. I'm gonna put one up here, and I'm thinking about putting one all the way across the top of the window right there. That way I can organize the boxes up there and like make it all nice and pretty and stuff, and you know, it's not scattered everywhere, because I do need that space in the kitchen, and unfortunately my boxes are occupying that space. As for this shelf, I might keep it as a shelf, but I've been contemplating on turning it back to a monitor stand. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna link the video up. I apologize for the mess. I'm in the process of filming a video. I haven't posted anything about it, but subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you can see when it's ready. I need to run to Home Depot, get some wood. I did look online to buy shelves, but they're really expensive. And I know wood is just as expensive, but I can get my money's worth if I buy a big chunk of wood and cut it down than to, you know, buying the shelves already prepped and everything. Besides, I can turn it into an art project. I need to pack up some art materials so I can take it down to my parents' house, and I can cut the wood over there and spray it over there because I can't do that here. So I'm gonna pull out all the spray paints I have. I got pink, a red. Just gonna fill that in there. I have yellows, browns, blues, more yellows. And I'm just going to use all the colors I have, and I'm going to see what I can make with it. And last but not least, gesso. Now I just gotta get started. Let's go. Alright, so I'm at my parents'. I just went to Home Depot and got the wood. It's 1 by 8 inches by 10 feet. I forgot the camera in the car when I went to Home Depot, sorry about that. But now I just have to measure out the shelves and start cutting, so. Alright, so I'm back in my studio. As you can tell, the shelves are back here. They're painted, they're varnished, they're good to go, they look nice. I just need to put them up on the walls in the spaces that I told you about earlier. I did go online and I ordered these shelf legs or pegs. I don't know what they're called, but they're to hold the shelf up. I trust them. I've used them before. As a matter of fact, the shelf right here is held by 2 of them. So yeah, I went ahead and I ordered it. I think it was like 4 for like 20 when I ordered it. But you know, online the prices are constantly changing. Don't know what they are at right now. But yeah, let's get started. Quick thing before I start. If you notice, obviously this is all colorful and all pretty. And it's got paint splats and everything all over it. And then on the other side, it doesn't. Not as pretty. Interesting, but it's not as pretty. The reason I did that is because I'm gonna have this part facing up. So the bottom of the shelf is gonna be this part. The reason I'm doing that is because these shelves are gonna be high up, so you're mostly gonna see the bottom of the shelf, and I want the bottom of the shelf to be as colorful and bright and cool looking as possible. So bottom, top, where all the boxes or statues or whatever I decide to put up there are gonna be sitting on. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I put the shelf up here above the door. I got the one over here. I got the other one over here. I put the long one up there. And then I put a shorter one down here so that they can hold these boxes. Again, this is for a video that I'm working on. If you're interested in how that comes out and what I'm doing with that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can check out the future video. And as for here, I made the monitor stand, so looks nicer. Good to go. I apologize again for the mess. I'm organizing their stuff everywhere. So the only thing left to do is to add the collectible boxes and stuff that I was going to put up there and organize it, make it look nice and pretty. I am not going to record that simply because I need to search throughout the whole apartment and pull out boxes from everywhere. And I just, you know, I need to organize it correctly, and I don't want to worry about the camera while I'm doing that. So in about 5 seconds, you're gonna see the final products. So, ready? And there you guys go. I think the shelves came out awesome. I loved it. They definitely helped clear out a bunch of my boxes that I had laying around. I had boxes on the floor of the studio. I had some in the kitchen. Like I mentioned earlier, they were all over the place. And I managed to clear all the stuff in the kitchen that was being used. A little bit out of the one closet in the hallway. And definitely all the boxes that I had laying around in the studio floor. I do still have some in my closet, a little bit in the hallway, but those are properly organized now. They're not just thrown everywhere, so it doesn't look as bad and as cramped. But these shelves up here with all these boxes, it just like, it gives the room more of like a homey studio, kind of like a man cave look, and I'm loving it. I was not expecting that. I just needed some storage space, but it really does bring in the room together. And yeah, Very good decision, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, whether you liked it or not. If I should have painted it a different way, or what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more of these paint splatter on objects thing, that'll be pretty cool. I wouldn't mind doing more of those. That was a lot of fun. Yeah, that being said, I'm gonna get back to these boxes. If you're interested in seeing how those come out, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell for notifications so that when it does come out, you're the first to know. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon.